Hello dear students, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss 10 questions on cell unit of life chapter, and most of the questions are from cytoskeleton part, from nucleus and all, right? The last part of the chapter. So let's begin. First question, you can see it is a very important definition given in NCERT, and I hope you have learned it by now, right? An elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures present in eukaryotic cell is called what? Right? So you know the answer. Okay, they have given the clue here. It is only exclusively present in eukaryotic cell, and it is network of filamentous proteinaceous structure, right? So inside the cell, in the cytoplasm area, what is that proteinaceous fibrous thing which is filamentous thing which is present? Okay, which acts like a framework, structural framework of a cell, which gives support to a cell, which helps in providing motility to the cell, right? Also it helps in transportation of different vesicles inside the cell, movement of vesicles inside the cell. So I hope you understood the answer. It is cytoskeleton, right? Cytoskeleton is elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures present only exclusively in eukaryotic cell. So if they will ask a question like this, cytoskeleton is present in you can say streptococcus? No, right? It is a prokaryote and it does not have any cytoskeleton. Okay, space between the two membranes of nuclear envelope is called, okay, it is called what? It is called perinuclear space, right? It is not called pericentriolar space. Pericentriolar material word is given in NCERT, amorphous pericentriolar material which is surrounding the two centrioles. Together this pericentriolar material plus two centrioles they are called centrosome. That is given. So pericentriolar space is not the answer. Luminal space is inside the ER lumen, and intranuclear space is not given in NCERT, right? So perinuclear space is the space which is the you can say space present between the two membranes of nucleus, and it is very easy. See, nucleus is like this, right? Nucleus is having membrane like this, right? The two membranes, they join together to form nuclear pore, right? So there's a space, right? This is space. This is space. This space itself is called perinuclear space, this space. Even the diameter also is mentioned in NCERT. Please check and write in comments what is the diameter of this perinuclear space. Okay, then question 3. Choose odd one with respect to presence of nucleus. What is odd one with respect to presence of nucleus? Okay, companion cells, do they have any nucleus? Yes. Mesophyll cells, do they have any nucleus? Yes. Parenchyma cells have nucleus? Yes. But what about mature sieve tube cell? Do they have any kind of nucleus? No. They are devoid of nucleus at maturity, right? Fine. Mature sieve tube cells. Okay. Even RBCs. Okay. In animals, RBCs are those cells which don't have any nucleus at maturity. Understood? Okay. Loose and distinct network of nucleoprotein fibers present in interphase nucleus is called. Okay. You tell me, during the cell division, okay, 95% of the total cell cycle, it is in the interphase. Okay, interphase, or you can say non-dividing phase. And when the cell is in non-dividing phase, when your cell is in the non-dividing phase, okay, which kind of genetic material is present inside it? Chromatin. Okay, you have chromatin, and they have actually explained about chromatin only here, right? That loose distinct network of nucleoprotein. What is the protein which is present in this chromatin? Can you tell me? Nucleoprotein, what is the meaning of this word? Okay, so nucleoprotein means nucleic acid, which is DNA here, plus which protein? Histone protein, right? These two things are present which makes chromatin, right? And in the interphase nucleus you have this. In the metaphase onwards you will be seeing chromosome, right? You will not be able to see chromosome before metaphase. Okay, so rest all chromonymata is not at all mentioned in NCERT. Chromatid is a particular one single you can say this structure is called chromatid. Okay, this is a monad chromosome. If I make duplicated chromosome, it will be like this. These are two chromatids but one chromosome. This is a single chromatid but one chromosome, right? Then read the following statements and choose the correct statement. Okay, so this question is long, so options are in this slide. Okay, fine. Let us see that what is correct here. Cilia and flagella are covered with plasma membrane. Yes, true. Eukaryotic cilia and flagella, they are covered by plasma membrane. And if they have included cilia with flagella, it means they are talking about eukaryotic flagella. Okay. Centrioles form the basal body of both cilia as well as flagella. Centrioles form the basal body of both cilia and flagella. Yeah, this is also correct. True. Approximately 2-meter long thread of DNA is distributed among 46 pairs of chromosomes in a single human cell. This is false, right? This is false. Do we have 46 pairs of chromosomes or do we have 23 pairs of chromosomes? This is wrong, right? It should not be 46 pairs. It should be either 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. So it is false. Movement of proteins and RNA into or out of nucleus occurs through nuclear pore. True. Okay. So how many statements are true here? A is true, B is true and D is true. Any options like this? Yes, A, B and D. Okay, membrane bound minute vesicles that contain various enzymes present in both plant and animals. It is called, what's the answer? Microbody, right? There is no such thing like macrobody mentioned in NCERT. Microbody is mentioned, so you have to learn about it. This is the definition given in NCERT. After this, they have mentioned that they are present both in plant and animal, right? So you have to remember this. Okay, total number of peripheral microtubules in flagella is, and in centriole how many? So you have to remember the arrangement of microtubules in flagella. It is 9 plus 2, right? And in centriole, what is the arrangement? It is 9 plus 0. And here in the centriole, you have 9 triplets, right? But what do we have in the flagella? We have 9 doublets, right? So here it should be 9 into 3. So at periphery, total how many microtubules are there? 27. Here 9 into 2. At periphery, how many microtubules? 18. And what's the meaning? When you will cut the section of centriole or flagella, you will be seeing that at 9 different positions, you will be having what? You will be having these triplets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, on the periphery, you will be having 9 total places where triplets are existing, and here in the center you have hub, right? So they are connected like this with the help of radial spoke. This will be there in total. You can count how many triplets are there, sorry, how many peripheral microtubules are there? 27. But here in this case you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 doublets only like this. Okay, on the periphery you are having only doublets like this of microtubules. Okay, even in the center also you have 2 microtubules. That's why 9 plus 2. 9 peripheral, 2 central, right? And they all are connected like this to the center part with the help of radial spoke. And actually these are the filaments like this, right? You can imagine it like this. If you cut the, if you are looking a flagella like this, right? You cut it, you will see like this. Okay, that is the meaning here. So total 18 are there peripheral microtubules in flagella, and 27 total are there in the centriole. So 27 and 18, option number 2. Understood? Now, the arrangement of exonemal microtubules in eukaryotic cilia and flagella. So cilia and flagella is same. Okay, I told you how many microtubules are there in the flagella? 9 plus 2. So same for cilia. But if the question is based on centriole, basal body and all, then you will choose 9 plus 0. Okay, big question again. Options, correct options are in next, you can say slide. Read the following statements and select the correct option with respect to cell theory. All living organisms are composed of cells and products of cell. Correct only. This is a line given in cell theory. Viruses are exception to cell theory because they are cellular particles. Okay, because they are cellular particles. No, they are exception to cell theory because they are acellular particles. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Yes, correct. Activity of an organism are the outcome of sum total of activities and interactions of its constituent cells. Yes, this is the line of NCERT. Rudolf Virchow gave final shape to the cell theory. Yes, correct. Okay, so how many are correct? A is correct, B is wrong, C is correct, D is correct and E is correct. So A, C, E, D. Okay, or we can say except B, all are correct. Okay, then last question. choose the correct option with respect to the functions of cytoskeleton. What is not the function of cytoskeleton? See, in NCERT, they have clubbed all the functions of cytoskeleton after the definition. Please read those functions. It provides mechanical support. It is responsible for motility. It actually maintains the shape of the cell also. It can help in cell division also because spindle fibers are made up of microtubules. So you can consider that function also. But storage of starch, this function is absolutely wrong, right? First of all, starch storage is not at all present in all the cells. Not need, not like no need is there. Another thing, for storing the starch, which cell organelle is responsible? Can you tell me? Which organelle stores starch in plant cells? Please write. Okay, there are different types of leucoplast. One leucoplast is responsible for storing the starch. Please write that. Okay, and you got the answer for this one also, A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D only. Yeah, E is not the answer. So this was all. These were our 10 questions. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone for watching. Please support, please share, please share among your friends so that we can reach maximum. Thank you. Bye.